Good day everyone. Today, we will present our student-owned clothing business called Curve Plus Beauty Line. Our project is focused on helping students feel confident, beautiful in their own bodies through stylish, comfortable, and affordable clothing. This business is created and presented by Holguin Hazel, Mesa Manilin, Ramos Danica, and Zulreta Maryjoy. Curve Plus Beauty Line is a student-owned clothing brand. Our goal is to promote fashion that is stylish, comfortable, and body positive. We want to support students by giving them clothing that helps them feel good about themselves. Our campaign promotes self-love, inclusivity, and affordable everyday wear. We aim to help students feel confident, beautiful, and comfortable in the clothes they wear. Curve Plus Beauty Line offers trendy, comfortable, and affordable clothing for all body types. We believe that everybody's shape is beautiful. So we create a clothing that makes students feel seen, valued, and confident. Our design focus on three things. First is simple and modern look, easy to style and daily wear. Second is soft and breathable fabric. This is comfortable even for long hours. And last is everyday wear for student lifestyle, perfect for school, errands, or casual outings. For our public relation campaign, we create a clear goal. First is to increase the awareness of Curve Plus Beauty Line. Number two is to promote positivity and inclusive by showing clothes designed for different body shape and size. Third is strengthen online engagement by generating at least 30 to 50 interaction such as likes, comment, and shares. Fourth is to boost product interest and sales by highlighting comfort, styles, and affordability. Last is to collect customer feedback using comments, message, or short survey to help.
Next is our target audience. For our primary audience, we focus on students age 15 to 23 from high school to college who are looking for affordable, style, and comfortable clothes. And for our secondary audience, we target a young adult who support local brands and appreciate body positive fashion. This group are the most likely to connect with our customer at Curb Plus Beauty Line. Key message. You don't need to feel shy about wearing sexy clothes or fitted clothes. You should be proud of your body. With Curve Plus Beauty Line, we help you feel confident, comfortable, and stylish in any size. Here, you are not just wearing clothes. You are wearing self-love and confidence. And our slogan is a design for comfort. And for our slogan, design for comfort, made for confident.
PR tool used. To promote the brand, we use three major social media platforms. We have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We choose this platform because they are the most popular among students. Second, they are the great for posting photos, videos, and promotions. And third, they allow us to reach a wide audience. And lastly, this platform makes it easy to internet direct with customers. So, to our evaluation plan, to measure the success of our PR campaign, confidence in every curve, we use for our evaluation metrics. First, we have digital engagement. So, we check likes, comments, and views of our post. Second, users-generated content. So, we mention photos, videos that students posted using our hashtags. And third, customers' feedback. We read comments, message, and survey answers to understand what customers think. number of orders or inquiries, and store visits. Sales and interest. We look at the numbers of order, inquiries, and store visits.
Here are some results from our campaign. Our first post gained 52 reaction and 52 share, which shows strong interest and support. We just posted for 1 day only, guys. And another video reached 20 plus comments and more than 1,600 plus views, showing that many people noticed and interacted with our content. This result shows that students are engaging with brand and appreciating the clothing design. Here, we have screenshot that shows real comments and reaction from the customer. People appreciated our outfits, praised the quality of the fabric, and shared positive feedbacks. This proves that many customers love our brand and are happy with our products.
Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Care Plus Beauty Line will continue promoting confidence, comfort, and body positivity for all students. We hope you enjoyed learning about our PR campaign and Looting Brand.